keep siya, hindi po siya na nilagay ko nito, yan. So, okay, next content, let's go, tara, keep go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay guys, now let's go at this. Okay guys, here it is. Wait for again. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, naganito ko na siya. Yan. Need ko na trum. Yan. Tapos trum. Yan. Okay, let's leave it. Ito. Yan siya. Ay, lumalabo. Hello guys, reveal for part 2 na lang kasi wala na akong time. Hanggang dito na yan guys. Hanggang dito na. So, bye!